Hey everyone, Keiko here. We're so excited to let you know we're starting our studio share again. You come in from the Richardson Street side, you'll either come up the stairs or go into the lobby for the elevator, up to the third floor, and then you'll go towards the red door, and we're right around the bend. The studio is in a quiet and secure building. You'll have access to our space 24/7 for a monthly fee. You'll be able to use all the lasts that you see here, high post machines, zigzag machine, thread, patcher, skiver, 5-in-1, sidewall stitcher, foil stamper, findings, our glue and sanding room, dyes and acrylic paints, Cricut machine, heel nail wheeler, finishing wheels, vintage sole press, and nails. Other things like printer and content creation tools, library of shoe books, and storage space is also available. Become a member and join us in our space. See you soon!